Hi, my name is Yasmin Sahlloul. I'm a second year PhD student at the Neuroscience Graduate Program and I work in Dr. Berta's lab. So, in our lab, our main focus is trying to elucidate the mechanism in which viruses induce pain. And for my project and the project in which the RaMP student is going to help out in, it's how a specific immune receptor plays a role in development of fibromyalgia. So, fibromyalgia is this widespread chronic pain disorder. Its exact mechanism has not been fully understood just yet, and so there's a lack of diagnostic tool as well as therapeutics. But there has been emerging studies that have suggested that there might be an interplay between the immune system as well as nociceptive pathways. And so it's been shown that patients who develop fibromyalgia had a preceding viral infection that might have played a role in its development. And so we're trying to test out different hypotheses and trying to understand its mechanism as well as later on developing its own therapeutic. And for this project, we use a wide array of behavioral experiments. So the voluntary test, cold acetone test to test out pain, but as well as different anxiety-like assays such as the open field or a CPP for motivation. Our lab students would also be exposed to different molecular experiments, so that would include Western blots, real-time PCR, immunos, in situ hybridization, and many more, as well as calcium imaging for culture and EFIS. So our RaMP student would primarily be working on the fibromyalgia model or the fibromyalgia project in terms of helping out with the molecular experiments. But if our students decide to spend longer time, we're more than happy to have them play a role in other projects that are taking place in our lab, as we have many, or different experiments that they want to learn. And with that, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I'm excited to meet our new RaMP students.